This is very important in reference to history of celebrity status and history of my mother and father and grandparents and the history of photography and cinematography and the world-renowned cinematographers and photographers in the modeling industry and fashion television and the history of photographers that photographed me when I was a little boy and the history and longevity of career and beauty and perfection of photography, very important in reference to cinematography. And the fact of this man damaging my teeth, he has violated all the cinematographers, he has violated all the productions, he has violated all the photographers that photographed me at any time, even when I was a little boy. This government man has to get prosecuted for disrespecting the photography industry, for disrespecting the beauty industry, for disrespecting the Screen Actors Union, the Writers Union, the Directors Union, the beauty industry, the modeling industry, and the photography industry. So, in reference to modeling and performing arts and history of things, this government man trying to steal my identity must get charged and prosecuted. And, the makeup artist in reference to working in film, different types of films, and the activity of, the lighting, the history, and productions, you know what I mean? It's just very serious. And this man damaging my face on this side causes a pushed-in area. Him damaging my upper lip damages my history in photography, damages my singing career, damages everything about my life. And this man thinks it's funny. Just because you're not a celebrity or just because you're not on that caliber, government man, or you don't have that history, doesn't give you a right of tearing down other people. You're disqualified from being in the industry because of your abuses, because of your hatred, because of your sickness of jealousy, and your 7 deadly sins and your fatal attraction. Your activity of damaging something that's beautiful and then trying to wreck a person's mouth and teeth, claiming you thought that you would make up shit with your Photoshop bullshit, and then you thought you'd fuck up a person's teeth like fake pictures that you had made. The x-rays of my teeth are on record. The documentation is there. You have to get prosecuted for making forgeries and then damaging my teeth. My teeth did not have no dentistry on them, government man. Those pieces of raw oil drilling bit my parents put in there purposely and intentionally, and they put them in there themselves. So in reference to your disruption of your activity of violating personal family law, you don't have a right stealing family law facts of my family. You don't have a right damaging my teeth because your family has bad teeth or whatever your problem is, or you had lived a dirty lifestyle, you had bad nutrition or something. That's not my fault. You don't have no right damaging my teeth or damaging my face because you wanted to be a celebrity. You're disqualified forever. You could never be a celebrity. You committed treason in the Screen Actors Union. You committed treason in the media. You violated every law that makes a person a celebrity. You're blackballed from Hollywood forever. You have no legal right. And you had, some of you people, there was a politician or something that tried to say something. He was a former politician or whatever. He said that he was trying to steal my mother and father's estates because he had gotten prosecuted for stalking me and trying to rape me, and he became a president or something, or he's a former president, and my mother had sued him in court before he had ever been president, before he had ever been in government. Then he'll make up lies saying he was in government, which he lied to the Screen Actors Union that he was in government, which disqualifies him there too. And obviously somebody has communicated that he has a lot of debts from some TV shows that he was on or something. He must get prosecuted for lying to the entertainment industry. And the fact of him, I guess he was involved in the murder of my mother. And this man is one of the men that's been holding me hostage. And in reference to Supreme Court judges and the FCC and media, if they are aware of who this person is that's been damaging my face and teeth, they are required by law to admit who the person is. So, in reference to the activity and the history of this man and his people burning my face and teeth, that man has to get prosecuted. Some people might be in the media and they don't want to say it. Well, then you need to step down from your position, because we need strong people in the media. People that are aware of what's important in reference to the facts of ownership and guidelines of what is factual business laws and copywritten laws. And this person, he tried to communicate something, or he said he tried to copyright my teeth, and he tried to make dentures for himself by fucking damaging my real teeth. My teeth are documented and copywritten, protected in the royal protocol. It's in the media. And this man had been in the media before. The man has to get arrested. The royal protocol is my identity. It's a documentation of who I am. And if you look on YouTube, I posted the video, it was like some pictures, and he had put that S on there as a copyright. Now find out which person owns that. That man tried to steal the copyrights of my anatomy and my identity and tried to claim that he was above me and my copyrights. That man damaged my teeth for over 22 fucking years, claiming that he thought he would try to copyright something, or he was trying to put a lien on something that was richer and already copyrighted before him. The Royal Protocol is in the media 24 hours a day. The fact that you ever had any connections to anybody in the media and you had done these things to me, you have to get prosecuted. You thought you would try to copyright something that was already copywritten? I'm the owner of the copyrights. You can't copyright something that's already copywritten and then claim to be the owner of it and then to be fucking it up. I own the copyrights forever of my identity and my anatomy. And you must get prosecuted for damaging my face and teeth. No ifs, ands, or buts, man. You must get prosecuted no fucking matter what. And in reference to celebrities and entertainers that these people tried to run out of Hollywood, these people tried to steal the studios. They tried to steal the companies. These people was bribing people with money that they stole from my mother's mansion. Is that not true? Those people need to get arrested. The satellite man and his tricks and games is attempts to murder, and it is treason. Royal Protocol in the media is my identity. It is a copywritten, protected document. So whoever that person is that put that S on the pictures of the inside of my mouth, that man has to get arrested. You're trying to copyright somebody else's anatomy so you could make dentures? And you tried to fuck up a person's ability to eat food normally by smacking them and hitting them in the face and teeth and damaging their inside of their mouth? What kind of farms do you own in America? Now, my grandfathers was two of the largest farmers in America. My mother and father was two of the largest farmers in America, and I'm the owner of the farms. So where do you eat at, government man? What stores do you go to? This country is not allowed to provide you with any food or anything that you would use as your way of attacking this country. Meaning they're not allowed to support your necessities as your crime of stealing from me. The U.S. Treasury is not allowed to pay you any wages. You're not allowed to work in the labor of this country as a secret illegal army of people trying to steal my land or property or estates or my identity. The food industry is not allowed to aid and abet your crimes of your people trying to steal my identity or my land or my parents' property and companies and estates. You're going to need to get arrested so you can go to prison for your crimes. In reference to, hello TMZ. How you guys doing? It's on TV right now. But in reference to the satellite controllers and their crimes and their abuses, those people need to get prosecuted for violating photography, violating historic status in the Historic Society of America. And this government man has went around trying to claim that he thought he'd be the owner of something I was the owner of, is what he has tried to communicate or something. No. You have tried to murder me with your false accusations and your false claiming of property and land, and you must get arrested. Being in politics does not allow you to make up lies on people, to steal from people. Does not allow you to make up lies to steal my identity or to physically assault me either. You must get put on trial for your crimes.